Now that we've removed all of the valves and checked them for any obstructions, pitting, or corrosion, we'll remove the discharge manifold. You'll need to look at the packings if there is a water leak between the inlet manifold and discharge manifold. And to remove the discharge manifold, we will use a Allen wrench and a rubber hammer to take these out. Now that we've removed all of the bolts, we'll use a rubber hammer to remove the discharge manifold. After removing the discharge manifold, we'll want to remove the spacers by gently prying up on them with 2 screwdrivers in this bottom ridge, and check the O-rings for any damage.